Welcome to Tech Titan Reviews, where we dive deep into the latest advancements in technology. Today, we're focusing on what could be Garmin's most revolutionary watch launch to date, the highly anticipated Garmin Fenix 8 and Epix 3. These models are set to redefine the standards in wearable tech, merging cutting-edge technology with rugged durability. Join us as we explore the rumors, leaks, and expectations surrounding these game-changing devices. The Fenix series, in particular, has carved out a reputation as a top-tier outdoor smartwatch, known for its robust build, extensive battery life, and unparalleled tracking capabilities. The Epix line, with its stunning AMOLED displays, has also garnered a loyal following. The potential convergence of these two lines in the upcoming Fenix 8 and Epix 3 could mark a significant milestone in Garmin's history. The most exciting speculation centers around the possibility of a new, unified model that combines the best features of the Fenix and Epix series. One of the biggest debates surrounding the Fenix 8 and Epix 3 is the type of display technology Garmin will choose. The Fenix series has traditionally used memory in pixel (MIP) displays, which offer excellent battery life, especially in outdoor conditions. On the other hand, the Epix series is known for its vibrant AMOLED screens, which provide superior color and contrast, but at the cost of reduced battery life. While display technology is a significant focus, the Fenix 8 and Epix 3 are expected to bring much more to the table. Garmin has a history of incorporating advanced health and fitness tracking features into its devices, and the new models will likely continue this trend. Expect improvements in heart rate monitoring, including more accurate sensors and better algorithms for detecting stress levels. For outdoor enthusiasts, Garmin's GPS technology is a critical feature. The Fenix 8 and Epix 3 are expected to include upgrades in this area, with more precise tracking and improved mapping capabilities. Pricing is always a critical factor in any tech launch, and the Fenix 8 and Epix 3 are no exception. Given the potential for groundbreaking features, these watches are expected to come with premium price tags. Garmin's pricing strategy could involve offering multiple models at different price points. The standard Fenix 8 might be positioned as the flagship model, with all the bells and whistles, while the Fenix E could offer a more stripped-down experience at a lower cost. Garmin has already introduced solar charging in some of its previous models, and we're hoping this feature will be expanded in the new lineup. As we count down to the launch, the Garmin Fenix 8 and Epix 3 are shaping up to be some of the most exciting wearable tech releases of the year. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer, a fitness enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates cutting-edge technology, these watches promise to offer something for everyone. Stay tuned to Tech Titan Reviews for more updates as we continue to track the latest leaks, rumors, and official announcements. Will Garmin once again revolutionize the wearable tech industry? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the Fenix 8 and Epix 3 are poised to make a significant impact.